Welcome back to Car Xplorer, where we bring you detailed reviews of the most exciting cars and motorhomes redefining the future of travel. Today, we dive into a masterpiece of luxury and innovation, the Mercedes-Benz Motorhome 2026. This is not just a motorhome. It's a symbol of elegance, comfort, and technology brought together to create the ultimate mobile living experience. The exterior design of the Mercedes-Benz Motorhome 2026 is nothing short of breathtaking. Mercedes has reimagined the traditional motorhome with sleek aerodynamic lines, a bold front grille carrying the iconic three-pointed star, and futuristic LED headlights that stretch seamlessly into the body. Large panoramic windows dominate the sides, offering not only natural light, but also giving the vehicle an upscale, modern look. With chrome accents, integrated roof rails, and dynamic 22-inch alloy wheels, the 2026 model is a perfect blend of sophistication and practicality. The motorized side awning and automated steps add convenience, while the elevated stance reflects its strength and confidence on any terrain. Step inside, and the story of luxury continues. The interior is designed like a five-star suite on wheels. The cabin is adorned with premium leather seating, handcrafted wood finishes, ambient LED lighting, and a minimalist yet futuristic dashboard layout. A massive 15-inch infotainment system sits at the center, offering navigation, connectivity, and entertainment with the signature Mercedes MBUX interface. Voice commands, touch controls, and even gesture-based functions make operating the system effortless. The living area is where the Mercedes-Benz Motorhome 2026 truly sets itself apart. A spacious lounge with reclining captain chairs, a convertible sofa, and a retractable dining table creates a versatile space for both relaxation and gatherings. The motorhome includes a fully equipped kitchen featuring modern appliances like a smart refrigerator, induction stove, microwave, and ample storage cabinets. The highlight is the smart design that maximizes space without sacrificing luxury. The bedroom area is nothing short of a retreat. A queen-sized bed with memory foam mattress, soft-touch fabrics, and panoramic skylights ensures restful nights wherever you travel. There's also a modern bathroom with a rainfall shower, eco-efficient toilet, and stylish sink setup. Mercedes has designed every corner with precision, ensuring that travelers experience the same level of comfort they would in a high-end home. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is powered by a robust 3.0-liter V6 hybrid diesel-electric engine, producing around 330 horsepower. This hybrid powertrain ensures smooth performance, excellent fuel efficiency, and lower emissions while still delivering enough torque to handle highways, mountain roads, or heavy towing. Paired with Mercedes' advanced 9-speed automatic transmission, the driving experience is smooth, quiet, and surprisingly agile for a motorhome of this size. Performance also benefits from Mercedes' adaptive suspension system, ensuring stability on long journeys and comfort on uneven terrains. Safety remains a priority, with the inclusion of Mercedes' latest assistance package, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for precise maneuvering in tight spaces. One of the greatest benefits of the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is its smart integration of technology. With solar panels mounted on the roof, a high-capacity lithium battery pack, and energy-efficient systems, this motorhome offers extended off-grid living. Smart climate control, app-based monitoring of power and water levels, and internet connectivity ensure travelers remain comfortable and connected wherever they are. In terms of pricing, the Mercedes-Benz Motorhome 2026 is positioned in the premium segment, starting at around $180,000 and going up to nearly $220,000 depending on customization and features. It is designed for buyers who want a perfect combination of mobility and luxury. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Xplorer for more in-depth reviews of the cars and motorhomes shaping the future of mobility.